Discharge in federal bankruptcy. Good afternoon. I'm attorney Neil Burns, and along with my partner Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents, legal malpractice, and also we represent debtors in bankruptcy. This is a fabulous law. It's a great law. It's a wonderful way for people who have got in over their head to discharge their debts. And the word discharge is in the law. The word fresh start is in the law. It's a great law. I've been practicing law since 1985, and this is one of the best laws out there because everyone wins as long as you're honest. So how does it work? You hire a bankruptcy lawyer, you list all your assets, you list all your debts, you list all your income, you fill out all the schedules, you fill out the petition, and you file it electronically through the court filings in federal bankruptcy court, and a trustee is assigned. And a trustee gets a date for you to have your hearing, your 341 creditors hearing, and that's in 30 days from when you file. And at that hearing, the creditors can show up and show fraud or some type of problem. It doesn't happen very often, but it does happen. But the trustee's job is to represent the creditors, and if your attorney did everything right, and if your income fits with the with what the bankruptcy court requires, and if your debts exceed your assets under certain rules, and if your homestead was filed properly, if everything was done properly by your lawyer or your lawyers, your law firm, then the trustee will have a minimal number of questions. The hearing takes approximately 5 minutes. It used to be in person at the bankruptcy courthouse. Post-COVID, it's on the phone. It's not even on a Zoom. It's on a phone. Everything has to be verified. You can stay home and participate in this hearing once you've signed the documents and they've been filed by your lawyer. And you get what's called a discharge. The discharge comes 60 days after the hearing. Automatically. You automatically get the discharge. There are exceptions to the discharge, which I mentioned earlier, such as fraud or assets that were undiscovered or unmentioned, which is essentially a fraud type of claim, or sometimes there's just some confusion. But generally, most times, you get a discharge after 90 days after you file, hearing in 30 days, discharge 60 days after that, and you get a fresh start. Your credit rating starts going up after that. And again, this is a fabulous law, a wonderful law that is a great tool for getting ahead when you've had some bankruptcy problems, when you've had some debt issues, and you can get ahead with this. Call Burns and Jain if you have a question. 617-227-7423. We've gotten hundreds of discharges for our clients. It's not a problem if you do everything properly. Give Burns and Jain a call. Again, 617-227-7423. The initial consultation is free. Thank you.